Hello, third graders. Welcome to lesson 1.9, Mental Math Strategies for Subtraction. This is your second video that you're watching at home. So remember to take notes. If you need to pause something, please do it. And let's get started. You're going to realize that many of these strategies you've already used for the addition. Now we get to use them for subtraction. First strategy we're going to go over is count up by tens, then ones, to solve 62 minus 39. Give you a chance to write that down, so if you need to pause it now. Now that you've caught up, we're actually going to use the number line here, and we're going to count up, which means we have to start with the small number. Why don't you put down 39 down here? We need to count up to 62. I'm going to put 62 on this side. My goal is to go from 39 to 62 and count how many spaces it takes. I'm going to first make a jump by tens. Yoink. So 39 plus 10 is 49. Count by tens because it's easy to count by tens. Count by tens until you can't count by tens anymore. 49 plus 10, make sure you label is up there, is 59. I can't count by tens anymore because I'm so close. I'm just going to count by ones. So this is 60, 61, 62. So plus 1 for this jump, plus 1 for this jump, plus 1 for this jump. The last step is to count up these, or add them all together. 10 plus 10 is 20, 21, 22, 23. That means 62 minus 39 equals 23 for the difference. Again, find the low number, put it over here. Find the high number, that's your target number. And since you're counting up, you want to go in this direction every time. Very similar to the addition, but going backwards. That's strategy number 1. Strategy number 2 is kind of the opposite. You're going to take away tens and ones. This time, you want to put the 62 over here like before, and the 39 over here just like the other strategy. But this time, we're going to go backwards. We're going to start here at the 62. So count back by 10. This time we're subtracting 10. And that equals, 52. Not there yet, so I'm going to count by another 10. Minus 10 here. That gets me down to 42. Now again, I can't count by tens anymore, so I'm just going to count by ones. 41, 40, 39. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. All you had to do again is count them up. 10 plus 10 is 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh my gosh, 62 minus 39 still has a difference of 23. All depends what you like better. You want to count up or you want to count down. It's completely up to you. But it's nice to have options. Strategy number 3. Use friendly numbers. Friendly numbers are numbers that, every number just wants to hang out with because they're so friendly. So we want to solve 74 minus 28. I'll give you a second to write these down and catch up. Now that you've written that down, let's be friendly. Now, friendly numbers are numbers that get you to the nearest 10 or possibly the nearest 100. You need to choose which number you want to make to the nearest 10. Either 74 or 28. Doesn't matter. But since 28 is closer to the nearest 10, I'm going to choose that one. See, 28 is closer to 30. Now, if I count out 29 and I count 30, that's 2 numbers. So I'm going to add 2 to 28. And since plus 2 is so friendly, I'm going to add it. Sorry for that little beep there. I'm going to add it to this side as well. 74 plus 2. Well, let's see. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 7 plus nothing is 7. Notice how my numbers are lined up. Here, I got 8 minus 2. I'm sorry, 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry that 1. 2 plus 1 is 30. Now, I have to subtract the new numbers. Make sure my numbers are lined up. We've got an easy subtraction problem here. 6 minus 0 is 6. And 7 minus 3 is 4, which gives us a difference of 46. Remember, friendly numbers. Both sides want to be by them. So they're so friendly, they split up and go on both sides. Let's do another one of these, because they're so friendly. 423 minus 99. It's up to you, but choose what number is closest to the nearest 10 or 100. And maybe it's just me, but I'm pretty sure it's 99. How far is it away from the nearest 10 or 100? You got it. Just 1. So I'm going to add plus 1 to this side and plus 1 to this side. 423 plus 1 is 424. 99 plus 1 is 100. Now all I have to do is subtract them. In 3rd grade, we really don't like you to go vertically. We want you to go horizontally. So please just rewrite. It takes only a second. 424 minus 100. Subtract it. 4 minus 0 is, you got it. 2 minus 0 is, you got it. And 4 minus 1, you got it. For a difference of 324. That is using friendly numbers. Let's go on to strategy number 4. Lots of different options tonight. We're going to use a break apart method, which you've done with addition, except this time you're just going to subtract. Let's break them apart. 58 turns into 400 plus the 5 stands for 50, and the 8, well, that stands for 8. And over here, you've got 136. That equals, the 1 stands for 100. The 3 stands for 30. And the 6 stands for 6. But this time, instead of adding, we're going to subtract each one. So 400 minus 100 is, well, let's see, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. And 4 minus 1 is 3. Now you subtract these two. 50 minus 30. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then we subtract these two. 8 minus 6, which is 2. Now the word part, we have to add these last guys together. So 300, again, we like to line them up vertically. Plus 20, plus 2. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. And 3 plus nothing is absolutely 3. For a grand difference of 322. It's a lot of work, because you're adding and you're subtracting, then you're adding and then you're subtracting. It keeps going back and forth, but it does get you the same answer. So just remember, you're adding these together, that equals 458, but you're subtracting the second number. Okay, homework problems. All right, it's your choice. Student choice tonight. You're going to use any strategy that was introduced in this video to solve these lovely subtraction problems. You could use the break apart strategy. You can use count up by tens and ones, or you can take away tens and ones, or use the friendly numbers. Definitely go back in the video if you don't remember which one you want to use. but try a different strategy for each problem. And that's about it. Good luck. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask tomorrow. See you then.